In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your plugins to automatically update themselves. So for this, I'm going to show you using two methods. One is using a plugin and the other one is without a plugin. So if you have a WordPress website, it is pretty much simple for you to apply this. So you don't need to go ahead and each and every time check for any update on your plugins. As you can see, I have quite a number of plugins on my website, and this is a WordPress website, and it will be much tedious if I have to check for update each and every time and then update them. As you can see, these are quite a number of them, and here you can see most of my plugins are set to auto update. So let me show you how you can do this. So to do this, go ahead and click on plugins and then click on add plugin, and then look for a plugin called auto updates manager, just like that. And as you can see, we have here this plugin called easy auto updates manager, and here it is. It has over 300,000 active installation, and this is the author. It is called easy updates manager. So if I go ahead and install it, it will be installed, and then just activate it. Great, the plugin has been activated. Now at this point, you can see the changes have been applied, and now my plugins are being auto updated by easy updates manager. So I don't have to do any manual lifting or any task to update these plugins. They'll automatically be updated. Now the good thing with this plugin is that it checks for any update whenever it is available, and then it automatically updates that plugin even when you are offline. So that's the first method you can use for you to automatically update your WordPress plugins. Now in the second method, you'll need to go ahead and access your cPanel for your website. For that, you can go ahead and log in into cPanel with your credentials. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and log into your client area. So you can go to your web hosting company and then click on client login, and once you are logged in, go ahead and choose cPanel login option. So most of the web hosting companies provide this option, so I'll go ahead and log into my cPanel here, and then from here scroll down until you get to the section called software. And if I scroll down, you can see this is my software section. Now choose your content management platform or software. For my case, I'm managing my content using WordPress. So if you click on your content management software, for my case, I'll choose WordPress. You can see these are my login details here. And if I click on this drop down arrow, I'll be able to see other variations or options for me to be able to manage my WordPress and also the contents on my WordPress. One of them, you can see I can choose to update my WordPress version. I can also choose to go ahead and set my plugins to auto upgrade. By doing this, all my plugins will automatically be updated. Currently, you can see this has been disabled. So to enable it, just choose this option, enable, and then go ahead. You can see information has been saved. You don't have to do anything once you have clicked on that. So that's how you can go ahead and set your plugins to automatically update. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.